with everything else being different. So if we fast forward to today, we have a guy whose assistant at work like literally staged a PowerPoint intervention to try to get him to stop taking as many fashion risks as he was taking. They're trying to tone down the green pants.
Were there green pants, really?
Totally green pants, and then he decided to amp that up by going mint green the next week. And so, lest any of you guys be mistaken, I think many people assumed that this hat thing was kind of mine. I know Carrie told me like I was ahead of the curve. It was actually Russ who wanted the opportunity to just have a hat on tonight.
It's okay to wear it at dinner.
So I would say, you know, these are areas where you might say you grew up. At least there's been evolution, some growth, some changes. But what I want to say is, you know, he's also a guy who has, you know, takes his work really seriously. He's a great father to our 3 kids. It's a lot to juggle. And in spite of all of this evidence of growing up, the thing that I cherish about you so much is that you still have like a total twinkle in your eye and a total big kid in your heart. And this was totally evidenced recently when we went down to Russ's parents' lake house. And here we are, we've got this 6-year-old kid who's like not the most confident kid in the world, and Russ is like throwing him on this piece of plywood, getting him to climb onto his shoulders while they're being dragged behind a boat, and like I'm having heart palpitations watching this. I'm like, this is for you, not for Grant. This is and I would say it's further evidenced by Russ coming home and just, well, I would say his proudest accomplishment at work is not so much growing his business, solving some tough problems, hiring this great team. Instead, he comes home and he's like, we did a poll at work, and guess what I won? And I was like, what? He's like, I got the best prankster. And it was a hard-fought award, but it was like one that really filled him with pride. So I would say on this day, on your nearly 40th birthday, don't lose that kid at heart. Keep that twinkle in your eye. I love it so much. It keeps our family like roaring with laughter, and it keeps our house just filled with a lot of joy. So happy birthday to the love of my life. And everyone should eat up.
I think I got a turn at this. At least I'm going to take a turn.